Good morning, students of class 5. Today, welcome to for learning a new topic of English grammar. This is the connectives and the conjunction. First of all, we understand the meaning of the connectives. A connective and conjunction is a word which is used to join, used to make words, phrases, clauses, or sentence. In the other words, the most important among the coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or. So let's explore the uses of these three little words. So here the some examples for you. Look at the Dia and Sia. Here Dia and Sia are the name of two girls, but we take both the girls' name in a one sentence using and. We went to Nainital and had a great time. Tia will not go to school tomorrow because she is not well. Here the because is your connective or conjunction word. Do you like to drink tea or coffee? Here we or is used only for choosing one option. Okay, so first rule for how do we use connective. So first rule we have read about the and is used to show addition and is used when the statements are the similar or equal. So we can say that कि the conjunction and is used to suggest कि हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए conjunction and को use कर सकते हैं. For example, that one action follows another in the chronological order, that one idea is the result of another and can also be used to suggest a kind of comment or something mentioned in the first clause. So for example, please speak slowly and clearly. Here slowly and clearly are the attributes of a person, so we can add them in a one sentence using and. So please speak slowly and clearly. The dog is faithful and intelligent animal. Here faithful and intelligent both are the qualities of a dog, so we can add them. The dog is faithful and intelligent animal. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. So the first clause in this sentence is the Friday is a holiday. This Friday. So here this Friday is a holiday is another sentence and I would like to go to the fair. But here we add both the sentence using and. Okay. Now the using but. The conjunction but is used to suggest a contrast. So for an example, it is used to show a differences or an opposite idea. For example, Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. In the given example, you can say that well and impatient are both are the opposite words. So we can say that but is used to show the differences between and close. Okay. Another example for you. I want to go, but I have to work. So this kind of a key but can use with the meaning of with the exception of. Okay. जैसे कि I want to go. I wanted to go, but I have lots of work. So they show that he is not go to there. So the last conjunction is the or is used to introduce another possibility. In other words, it is used to present an alternative items or idea. For example, do or die. Here you have only one option, do or die. So we are showing them using or. Shall we go to cinema or hotel? You have only one option. Once you have to go cinema and another one you have to go hotel. So but when we speak the both of the words within a similar context, we can add or to choosing one. So or is used to choosing one option. The conjunction or is used to suggest that only one possibility that can be realized. कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो और है वो सिर्फ जैसे कि you can have tea or coffee, you can work hard or you can fail. Okay. So using these rules, you can easily do your all questions. Thank you all.